ladies and gentlemen. We act a sorting play and give you a fine diversion before we run away. I give you room. Gallant boys, give us room to rhyme and give you a fine diversion this merry Christmas time. It is room. Give us room to sport for the black dog. It's a place we wish to resort to make fun and to repeat our pretty rhymes. Remember, good folks, it is the Christmas time. 'Tis Christmas time, and we're here, and act our Christmas merrily here to bid you health and all good cheer, and wish you well in the coming year. For we are the merry actors who travel the streets. We are the merry actors who fight for our meat. We are the merry actors who show pleasant play. Enter in, St. Andrew. Come on!
I am St. Andrew and boldly do appear. My friend St. Michael is a friend so very dear. Step forth, thy sword in hand, to act a gallant part, and show to all this company a specimen of art. I am Mackled of Manx, my father's gallant son, and many are the deeds of arms that nobly I have done in many a foreign region and foreign shore. And here I come to show myself at Christmas time once more. Aye. Show me the foe who dares to stand, and he shall fall by my right hand. I've challenged dukes and lords to fight, and put the best of them to flight.
What empty boast I'll show you! Sardines on your toast.
What thou? Bird or animal, for clip thy claws I certainly shall.
I am an English champion! From English land's care! I come to fight the valiant knight to Mackle they call his name. And if Sir Mackle they call thee, then let thy courage be stout or bold. If thy heart's hot, I'll soon run it cold.
Slasho, don't speak so hot. For little knowest the man thou hast got. Thy head from off thy shoulders soon I'll lop, and that foul mouth of yours forever stop. They fight! The point of my sword is broke. How can I fight?
I've heard that joke before tonight!
Oh, mortal stars! Oh, skies of blue! Never was I in such a stew. Oh, skies of blue, oh, mortal stars! Come, Macman, make this day ours! He is the breed in our hour of need, a champion to avenge this deed.
Ho ho, Sir King, what is your need? I am the man.
Step in, Macman, and take my part, and smite this villain through the heart.
He asked me to fight! What should I deny? He caught my coat, so full of rents, and made the buttons fly!
I'll try the metal off thy race. I'll cut a splinter from thy face. And if thou doff another word against my master say, clean through thy yellow belly, I'll make an open way.
Then
fight!
on, get on with it!
Milking it!
I suppose we'd better. A doctor! A doctor! Is there a doctor to be found?
No.
Who can cure these men, raise them from the ground?
Here's a doctor to be found who could cure these men and raise them from the ground.
Whence came ye?
Oh, from France, from Spain, from Rome I came. I travelled all parts to earn my name.
Well spoken, Doctor.
What can you cure?
Oh, all sorts of diseases, whatever you please. All pains within, all pains without, the plague, the palsy, and the gout, the itch, the stitch, the molly grubs. All these needs I can cure big bellied maids and likewise jades. I pledge my life, I can cure your lonely wife. Let them be cursed or ever so stout, if the devil's in, I'll lure him out.
Well spoken, Doctor.
What is your fee?
Well, £20 down is my fee, but half of that in this economy.
What medicine do you carry, doctor?
I carry in my bottle a little bottle of Rixum, Raxum,
Rixum! Raxum!
and a fine.
No.
A little drop to the nose, a little drop to the brain. Rise up, St.
Horrible! Terrible! Oh, the likes was never seen! The man rose out of 7 senses into 17! And out of 17 into 7 score! Oh, horrible, terrible! Oh, the likes was never born! It was neither by a bull, nor yet by a bear, but by a little devil of a rabbit there!
Time for pizza. Yes.
Thank you.
What? This one as well? Yeah, go on then. It's Christmas!
Nah, just leave him.
Another little drop to the nose. Another little drop to the brain. Rise up, St. George, to fight Oh yes, it's a rough tough coming out like a fly. Oh, 7 senses. Oh yes. Oh, it's a rough tough coming out like a fly. Up the 7 stairs and my head is made of iron. Body made of steel. My legs are made of pancakes. I'm on you.
Brothers, we are all brothers. What is this? Brothers. After this squabble, thus let us join hands, and together let us dine.
To a good meal, I would not object.
Good drink and cheer. Now that sounds correct.
Here's success to all brave boys and stout and gallant hearts. In battlefield for Manfred, all prepared to play a part. We handle well with knife and fork, likewise with sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year. With hearts and mouths confronted to fight, we are not slack, not slack. The roast big ham plum pudding, we make a stout attack, attack. We handle well with knife and fork, likewise the sword and spear. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a Merry Christmas and a good New Year. And we wish you a good New Year.
Oh, but they depart, leaving naught for the actor's art. And this year, in my place, I was going to give all the money to Edspace.
Yay!
Good sir. Won't you pity my mishap and drop something in my cap?